Everything is based on the power of that breath, bring the energy of the breath, understanding that your breath and the strongest furnace God has given to you is the heart. Once your breath is pure, your breath is strong, your madad is understood, your connection is powerful, your heart is like a Divinely furnace. And every blood that moves through that, and the reason your blood is red is because of iron. Your iron is being heated. As it flows through the heart, it's being heated. And that's when Prophet we describe, says the shaitan runs through the blood. But he has a hard time running through the blood if your heart is like a furnace and all your iron is ignited, is burning him. And that's when Allah describes the shaitan can ride but not the mukhlis, because the mukhlis, one of their states is their heart is continuously lit. As their blood is flowing, it's on fire. Shaitan cannot survive in that environment and then begins to operate outside of that environment to waswas and try to influence towards bad choices, but not operating from within the system and the heart. Operates from now outside, because inside is a furnace and a fire.